Hi, welcome back to another review. Today we are taste testing this instant coffee, mushroom coffee. The nice thing about this, it's ran by a small family and small family business, and I'm pretty excited. Here you can take a look. When you open your box, it shows you all the different things, which is pretty cool. These are the package that you get. Instant coffee with lion's mane and what is it, chaga? Sorry guys if I can't pronounce that right. So mix one packet with 8 fluid ounces of hot water, or if you want to do it iced, mix one packet with 6 fluid ounces of warm water, add ice and let chill. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pour it in here. So it's really fine powder. Now we're gonna add our hot water. Make sure you really stir it up. Alright guys, so we are going to do the taste test. Now I added one packet of sugar, 2 creamers because I have to with coffee. So here we go. Taste test. It's definitely different. I wouldn't say it's... I was expecting it to be just disgusting, to be quite honest with you. But it's not. It's... You taste the coffee, but it just tastes different. It's not bad. I like it. Which is surprising because I was not expecting to like it.